In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all product categories on Wix website. First, a quick overview so this all makes sense. In Wix stores, categories control how shoppers browse your items. When you add a category to your site, Wix generates a dedicated category page that displays the products you've placed inside it. That means the key to showing your categories publicly is to open your store's catalog, choose the right category, make sure your products are in it, and then add that category to your live site. Start in your site's dashboard and open your store management area. Look for the catalog section. This is where all your store data lives: products, collections, and importantly for us, categories. If you're managing multiple sites, double check you're in the correct one before moving on. Inside the catalog, go to categories. This view lists every category you've set up, along with system categories created by Wix. You'll see options that help you organize by theme, brand, or season. Don't worry about design yet. We're just making sure the right products are grouped correctly. Next, select the All Products category. This is the catch-all category you'll use to display everything in one place. Opening it lets you control what appears on the page your shoppers will see. If you have a large inventory, this category is perfect for visitors who want to browse everything without drilling into subcategories. Now, add all your products to this category. Use search and filters to find items quickly, then select multiple products at once to speed things up. If a product isn't showing, make sure it's set to visible and that it's an active store item. You can also review product details here to confirm images and pricing are ready for public display. Taking a moment to tidy up names and thumbnails pays off once the page is live. When your products are in place, choose Add Category to Site. This tells Wix to create a category page that pulls in the items you just configured. You'll typically get a prompt that confirms the page will be added to your site, and in many cases it can appear in your navigation automatically depending on your menu settings. Finally, click Add Now to confirm. Wix will generate the page and link it for your visitors. From here, you can customize the layout in the editor later, adjust the product grid, sorting options, and design style to match your brand. That's it. Your All Products category is now visible on your Wix website, giving shoppers a complete view of your store in one place.